Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you'll learn on how to convert Wix Studio to HTML code. So first thing that we should do here is we have to open any of our web browser, and then of course we have to visit the Wix Studio, and then make sure that you have logged in to your account. Okay, so after logging in, you'd be directed to this page right here where you can see all of your sites. Okay, so just make sure that you have logged into your account. Then the next thing that you should do here is to select the account that you want to convert to HTML code. Okay, so to do that, you just have to simply click on that specific file, site, and then click on select site or edit site. So for this one, I think I'll be converting this site to HTML code. So I'm just going to select this site. Okay, so as you can see, this is now the site that I have chosen. Then the next thing that you should do here is you just have to simply publish this one. Okay, so just click on the publish option at the top right of your screen. And then you just have to wait for a couple of seconds, and then after that you will then just have to click on the view site option. Okay, so this one right here. Okay, and then another tab will open. Now once your site is open, the next thing that you should do is you just have to right click. Okay, and then take note that there are many elements on my current site, so we don't have a 100% assurance that we can convert everything to HTML code. So we are going to check that later on. So right here, to convert this to HTML code, you just have to simply right click to anywhere. Okay, so for example, right here, let me just right click. Okay, so make sure that you can see the save as option. So if you cannot find that option, you can continue to right click. So for example, this one. Okay, so we can see now the save as option. So you just have to simply click on this one. That's right, and then once this page will open, make sure that you have selected the web page HTML only, or on your computer if you can see the HTML only, then that's good. Okay, and then you just have to select your folder. Okay, so I'm going to put this right here and then just click on save after that. Okay, so now that we have successfully downloaded the HTML code for my website, the next thing that we should do is we are going to locate this code to our file. So to do that, just go to your file manager. So let me just look for that file. Okay, so this folder right here. So this is now the file. So the next thing that you should do is you just have to simply open it. Okay, so as you can see, this is not the right side. Okay, so I think this one. So basically, converting a Wix website to HTML code can offer several benefits, particularly for those who want more control over their website or need more flexibility. So there are so many reasons. But as you can see right here, let us check if we have successfully converted all of the elements from our Wix Studio. Okay, so if there are elements that you can find here, the next thing that you can do is to edit it on your notepad. So to do that, you just have to right click this file right here and then click on the edit in notepad. Okay, and then if you are into coding and you're really good at coding, then you can simply edit and add all of the missing elements on your HTML code. So if you're planning to convert your Wix site to HTML code, it will give you a direct access to the entire code, allowing you to customize every aspect of your website without being limited by Wix platform restrictions. And also it improved the performance and speed, so Wix websites, being drag and drop builders, may contain extra code that isn't necessary for your specific use case, so which can slow down page load times So by converting to HTML, you can remove unnecessary scripts and optimize your site's performance. And of course, it can also increase flexibility. So with HTML, you have the flexibility to integrate third-party tools, so advanced features or APIs that may not be fully supported by Wix. So it will gives you the greater freedom to customize your site. And of course, it is a better SEO control. HTMLs, it will allows you to fine tune SEO by editing the meta tags, improving your site structure, and optimizing for faster page loads, which can positively impact your site's ranking on search engines. So no platform's dependency. So Wix is a proprietary platform. So if you want to move your website to another hosting provider, you may encounter limitations. Having your site as an HTML file removes platform dependency and lets you host your website on any server. So if you're planning to convert your website to HTML code, you just have to do the same. You just have to make sure that you have logged into your account, and then just go to the very first step where you have to select your site. You have to publish it first and then go to view site option. And once you're on your website, then just have to right click and look for the save as option. And another thing, it is cost saving. So Wix requires ongoing subscription fees for hosting and additional features. So once your site is converted to HTML, you can host it on cheaper or more customizable platforms, reducing the long-term cost. And of course, it will enhance the security. So with HTML, you can also improve security by directly controlling the code and implementing security practices that are best for your site. Wix's security is managed by their platform, but having the HTML files, it will allows you to manage it yourself. And for the last advantage is the offline access and backup. So by converting your Wix website to HTML, you can save a complete version of your website that can be accessed and edited offline. So this also serves as a reliable backup in case you experience issues with your hosting or need to switch providers without losing your site's content and designs. So, however, note that you will lose the drag and drop ease and other Wix specific features like app integrations, which may require technical skills to replicate after converting to HTML code. So basically, those are the things that you have to consider if you are planning to convert your Wix website to HTML code. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.